5-day workshop on realistic painting of tribal art was kicked off today at the conference hall of Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong. The workshop is organized by Tribal Research Institute of Manipur and the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. A form collection program for Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengbang and Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana cards was conducted by the 11 Khetragaon Jila Parishad today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren has appealed to all to completely refrain from single-use plastic in order to save the environment. He said, "We can plant more trees and this is the only way to preserve the ecosystem." Biren was participating in the observance of 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi at Kwerengai Bazar Parao ground. The Naga Hoho said the 3-month deadline to resolve the decades-old Naga issue was unacceptable for the people, as all issues are yet to be resolved amicably, according to media reports. In a release, Naga Hoho President H.K. Zimomi and General Secretary K. Ilu Dang on Sunday said the take it or leave it or carrot and stick policy would vitiate the prevailing atmosphere in the quest for an honorable solution. The collapse of a 2-story building following a cylinder blast in Uttar Pradesh Mao district today left at least 10 people dead, media reports said. Police said that the incident occurred in Walitpur village at around 7:30 p.m. 15 people were hurt in the incident. They were taken to hospital for treatment. The indefinite More Bandh has been called off following an agreement which was reached between leaders of More-based social organizations and government representatives during a meeting this morning. 2 unidentified miscreants shot at a local businessman in the busy streets of Guwahati's Lakhara area last evening, as per media reports. The injured, identified as Jaharul Islam, has been rushed to Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. President of Kickboxing Association Manipur M.K. Primso Shimre and Working President I. Umakanta flagged off a 39-member state team who will take part in the upcoming Wako India Federation Cup 2019. The Wako India Federation Cup will be held from October 17th to 20th in Dehradun. Former Indian captain Sourav Ganguly, under whose leadership the cricket side has reached the final of the World Cup in 2003, may become the next president of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, media reports said.